Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Fall with your math lesson for today. Let's get started with our math on the spot video.
Hey, Joey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm going on vacation, Professor Burger.
Awesome.
Yeah, my mom said I was allowed to bring 10 items all together. So I decided to bring 10 hats.
10 hats?
Well, because Mom said the place is going to be very hot.
Are you sure she didn't say very hot?
That makes way more sense. Why would you go on vacation to a hat?
Beats me. But let's see. So you have 10 items you're allowed to bring, and so you want to have some mixture of t-shirts to hats?
Yeah.
Well, actually, we can use math to help figure out different ways of doing that.
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So what I want us to think about is to see if we can choose add-ins to complete an addition sentence, and this addition sentence is going to end with equals 10. So we want to find two numbers that add up to equal 10 altogether.
Got it.
Okay, so we could actually model this if we wanted to using connecting cube trains, and you like connecting
Oh,
cube
yeah,
trains.
choo-choo, love 'em.
I know that. So there are lots of ways of doing this. We could think about making up 10 by taking 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7. There's a lot of ways of doing it. Let's just pick 4. So here's a train of connecting cubes that has length 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right.
And then I'll bring one in that has length 6. And when I collect them together, click,
Ta-da.
let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, how much do we have all told? If we count, let's count back and forth. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, I'll start. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Exactly. So what we see is we have now 10 in all, which means we've just discovered that 4 plus 6 equals 10.
Wow.
Now, here's the really cool thing. The cool thing is that we could have done it the other way. So if these were
No
like,
way.
yes, if these were like t-shirts and these were like your hats, we could also do it the other way. We could actually first start it off by putting in, let me show you this. I think you're going to like this. You're going to like this. This is going to be good. Did you see this?
I'm ready.
We could have had the 6 first and then put on the 4, and you can see that in fact it's the same length train. It's the same length. So we could write that in math terms by saying that 6 plus 4 still equals 10. And so the cool thing here, Joey, is that the order doesn't matter. That if we change the order 4 plus 6,
Right.
or if we write 6 plus 10,
Right.
I'm sorry, 4 plus 6,
That's
or
6 plus
6
10.
plus 4, I was a joke, 6 plus 4, either way we get 10 in all. So it's a great, neat thing to see is that we can choose any add-ins that add up to be 10, and we can write them in any order we want, and we still get 10.
That is amazing, Professor. Thanks so much. So, I'm thinking that maybe I'm going to bring 6 t-shirts and 4 pairs of pants. Yeah, I think that'll be good. That's going to make 10 all together.
Can I help you, Pat?
Oh, sure. My mom's going to be so happy. Let's see. Could you grab that bag?
Sure.
Oh,
Absolutely.
you know what, Professor Burger?
Yes.
Maybe I should have 5 t-shirts and 5 pairs of pants.
Sure.
Or 3 pairs of pants and 7 t-shirts. Or
We're going to be
maybe
here for a
7
while.
t-shirts.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon. Anyway, you slice it.
All right, so we're going to be on the same thing today. All right, let's look at our standard. It is 1083. We're going to apply properties of operations and strategies to add and subtract. Our essential question today is, why can you add add-ins in any order? Our I can statement, I can represent and solve problems involving addition. For this lesson, you will need your big Go Math book. We're going to be working from pages 33 through 36, 2 different colored crayons, a pencil, listening eyes, and listening ears. All right, so let's go to page 33. And here we are, on page 33. So I have 2 different colored markers. You should have 2 different colored crayons. All right, so we are going to show 2 plus 3 and then 3 plus 2. So I have my marker and my board. So, all right, the first I'm going to model is 2 plus 3. So I'm going to have 2 brown circles, and then I'm going to show 3 blue circles. All right, so that is 2 plus 3. Now let's see what 2 plus 3 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I had my 2 brown ones in the front and I had my 3 blue ones in the back. So this time I'm going to switch it. This time I'm going to put my 3 blue ones in the front, and then I'm going to put my 2 brown ones in the back. All right, and let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I use the exact same numbers, 2 browns and 3 blues, but I just switched the order of which one came first, and I still got the same sum. I still got the number 5. All right, let's turn to page 34 and let's look. The order of the add-ins changes. What do you notice about the sum? So right here, I did my 1 red and then my 3 blue. So that's 1 plus 3 equals 4. So my add-in, 1 and 3, my sum is 4. Right here, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. I have my 3 blues, then my 1 red. Okay, so even though my order changed, which one I put first, which one I put last changed, my answer or my sum was still the same. Let's look at number 1. All right, so we have 2 plus 3. So I'm going to have 2. I have brown, but you could have red, green, purple, orange, whatever colors you want, just 2 different colors. All right, so I have 2 that are brown, 3 that are blue. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this time, how many am I going to color? All right, I'm going to have 3 blue. I'm going to put those in front. Then I'm going to add my 2 brown. So I should have 3 blue in the front and then my 2 brown in the back. So this time it'll be, instead of 2 plus 3, it'll be 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, I have 2 and I have 4. All right, so I have my 2 brown. I'm gonna add 1 more blue. All right, so I have my 2 brown and my 4 blue. That equals 6. Good job. So my 2 was in front first. Now what's going to be in front? My 4 blue. So I have 4 plus 2. It equals 6. Very good. All right. Let's look at my last one. All right. So I'm going to have 4 brown and 1 blue. So it's 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Good job. So instead of my 4 being first, my 1 is going to be first. So I have my 1 blue and then the rest of them are going to be brown. So that's 1 plus 4 equals 5. So even though the order changed, my answer is still the same because I'm still using the same numbers. All right, let's look on page 35. All right. So what you're going to do, you're going to write the sum or the answers for these problems. You're going to circle the addition sentences that have the same add-ins in a different order. So let's do number 4 together. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 1 equals 3. All right, 2 of those have the same sum and they have the same add-ins in a different order. So that would be 1 plus 2. So I would circle that one, as well as 2 plus 1. The sum is the same and the add-ins are in a different order. Let's look at number 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Oh my goodness, my sum is the same in all of those answers, but there are only 2 that have the same add-ins, and that would be 4 plus 2 and 2 plus 4. They have the same numbers that are being added together, however, the order of them are different. So you would continue to do the same for number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9 right here is our hot problem. You're going to write 2 addition sentences that tell about the picture. So think about what you see. You see 4 dogs and 1 cat. Another way you can put it, you see 1 cat and 5 dogs. Okay? So write a number sentence that reflects that. And let me say that one more time. I see 5 dogs and 1 cat, or I see 1 cat and 5 dogs. Okay? All right, and let's look at page number 36. Draw pictures to match the addition sentences. Write the sum. Okay? You're going to do that there. And number 12 is another hot problem. You're going to choose add-ins to complete the addition sentence and change the order. So you're trying to figure out what would give you 10, just like in our video we saw. So Professor Berger had 6 plus 4 equals 10 over here. Then he had 4 plus 6 equals 10. But you can come up with a lot of other combinations to get 10. So I want you to figure that out. And number 13, which shows the same add-ins in a different order. Okay, so we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. What else could you say instead of 2 plus 3 equals 5? I want you to both put that in nice and neat for me, okay? All right, awesome job on your math lesson for today. I hope that you continue to practice your math facts, and I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. I will see you next time.